Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May 19th, 2023. We're here to talk about SUI coins to see if this particular market can skyrocket tomorrow, because if so, we definitely want to be in position. If not, we don't want to participate. So let's go ahead and get this thing started right now. You guys can see that we're looking at Binance real quick. We don't have that much pricing history because this coin is recently traded on the exchange, so we only could go off of what we have currently. And we're going to break this down to see if this particular coin is going to go higher. Okay, so you guys can see that since this coin was launched on Binance, that the market hasn't garnered any massive interest, meaning the price is making lower highs. Okay, so check this out. We're noticing how price in SUI is making lower highs. And currently, from the price action in yesterday being down almost 6%, it shows us that the interest is not currently available. Like, people are not in the market right now trying to buy SUI. Now, but check this out too though. This is where buyers currently are participating, i.e. this is where they're coming in and purchasing this currency. Right there around $1.10. So that's going to be very important for us to see this potential skyrocket occurring in SUI. We don't want to see price in SUI coin fall below $1.10, and definitely no lower than $1.03. Okay, so we're going to identify this area as a very crucial price for the buyers to hold. Buyers hold this level, then the potential to see SUI coin is going to continue to be maintained. If it falls below this line, then we need to be prepared for price to go a lot lower. Okay, so let's look at this on an hourly chart real quick, because you guys can definitely tell from an hourly perspective that we're not really seeing any follow through of strength. You guys can tell on this 7-hour price bar there, we got that one indicator, which is indicative of strength coming into the market in SUI, but we haven't received any follow through. The market is still going lower. That tells us that this particular bar, push to go up bar, that's what's garnered, it's not real, it's fake. So when we see the market in SUI come back up to $1.20, we would definitely have to pay attention to this resistance area right around here. Okay, so now we have where the buyers need to hold. We also see where sellers need to hold in SUI. It's just that simple. So these two lines represents buyers and sellers. So that is why we're currently seeing the market in SUI bouncing in between these lines. Okay, now which one of these lines break is the direction that price is going to move swiftly. Okay, so if the market's going to break out, we're going to see it break out up there around $1.25, and it's going to be a very big move to the upside. If the market breaks to the downside, it's going to be a very big move to the downside. Okay, so let's look at this on a different hourly chart. Here it is on the 5-hour. So you guys can currently tell that sellers currently control the market in SUI, because every time we come up here toward this resistance area 125, price comes back down. And even in this particular sense, we also notice that the market in SUI is making lower highs. We made a high there, and this is our second high. So we're making lower highs right now in SUI. So again, we're not really seeing the interest, the demand, the bullishness on the chart for SUI, but it doesn't necessarily mean that the price is weak neither, like the market's going to crash or anything of that sort. We're just simply trading. The market is trading within a tradable range, and we're trying to get any hints that the buyers are currently trying to hold this price up in SUI. So I am not optimistic that price is going to skyrocket tomorrow until we see more confirmation that buyers are coming through. So we may see the market dip down to $1.10 today, maybe even down here towards $1.07, and then we may begin to see the price trend up. Okay, that's on the 9-hour chart. Here it is on the 15. Okay, now from a 15 chart perspective, right here on this very widespread up bar, it would have been great for us to see the follow through, meaning price on the next 15 hours, we would have seen the market continue to trend up, but we didn't get it. We came right back down instead. Be careful, because this market currently is not hinting that it wants to be bullish. I mean, when you look at this one, look at this 15-hour price bar. It pretty much looks identical to the one I just talked about, but the market still went down. It goes down. So as we see this market in SUI trade, I'm pinpointing where we need to see confirmation of buyers. Buyers needs to hold price here at 110 and definitely no lower than 104, $1.04. Okay, got it? So I am pretty much done. Just wanted to come in and show you all what I'm seeing on the price chart for SUNY. I don't see a skyrocket occurring tomorrow unless buyers continue to hold price above 110 and definitely no lower than 103. We don't see that. Price is going to go lower and break this overall trend. Let me see this. Let me see something real quick. Yeah, I want you all to notice that once this coin was launched on Binance, that this was the bottom. We will have to break down this initial 30-minute price bar to see was there any breaks within that time. So let's see if we can get that. Yeah, so you guys can see even on a 3-minute chart, the market just immediately shot up once it was launched on the exchange there. So we have to keep our eyes focused right here on 103. Okay, so as of right now, I'm not bullish. Am I bearish? I'm not bearish neither. I'm just going to keep it real, keep it a buck, keep it 100. I'm just merely waiting to see confirmation of buyers. Once I see that, then I'll become more bullish. Now, I won't be available to see that happen with you all. I just want to give you all my thinking and my processes as to how I'm viewing the market currently in SUNY. Okay, so as of right now, I'm looking for price to go lower, paying attention to 110 and then again to 107 and then 103. Those would be my targets. Looking for the market in SUNY to go down. So for it to go to 110, it's like 2.25%. For us to see price go down to 107, that's 5%, and then down to 103, that's 8. Okay, so I may just do that. Let me go ahead and put that on the chart just for you all on the daily time frame. Looking for the market in SUNY to go lower. I'm not going to be like, I'm not looking for this to be a long and daunting process for this to take a while. So let's just go ahead and see how soon the market is going to come to those 3 targets. Our first one, like I said, is going to be around 110, $1.10. That's only 3% move to the downside. I'm cool with that. $1.09, $1.10. Then my second target is going to be around 107 or 106, 6.09%, $1.06. And then my third one is going to be all the way down to 104 or 103.5, 8.38%. You guys can see in the magnifier. $1.03. Okay, now it could go a lot lower than that, but we definitely need to see the market break those 3 targets first before that market will actually do that. Go a lot lower. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.